Hello everyone, let's learn relative reference, absolute reference and mixed reference in Excel. These are the three things which is highly required whether you are going to use functions or the formula. If you are having the basics of all these clear, you can utilize in a better way. Watch the video till last to clear your understanding on all these three reference. Right? The first one is relative reference. A basic thing is always remember relative reference means whatever the formula which has been used by you or the cell address which has been used by you. If you copy and paste it in a different cell, automatically the cell address will be changed because you have not used the dollar sign. The moment you use the dollar sign, it will log that cell address. Let me show you an example so that you can have a better clear understanding on this. Take an example here. I wanted to calculate total amount equal to quantity multiplied by price. Enter. If I copy this formula over here and paste it any cell over here, automatically the address will be changed. Let me show what is the meaning of that. If you click over here, you can see B2 multiplied by C2. But the moment you click over here, it has been changed by Excel automatically. It is B4 multiplied by C4. Because here you are using the relative reference. Relative reference, always remember, the moment you copy and paste in different place, automatically it will change the cell address. Let's move for absolute reference. This is highly required. Listen or watch the video very carefully. Here I wanted to calculate the sale tax, right? To use the sale tax, always you do one thing. Whatever the sale tax is there, if you see the number formatting over here, it is in percentage, right? So I am putting the formula over here equal to quantity multiplied by price multiplied by the sale address, that is B8. But I don't want, if I copy paste or if I drag this formula, I don't want any changes in B8. For that I need to press F4 to lock this particular cell, right? Hit enter. Now already the cell tax, you can say $18 is there. If I copy paste or drag this one over here, the moment you go over here, you can see B3 and the C3 has been changed because it is coming under the relative reference. But if you see B8, just because you have logged, it is called absolute reference. It is never going to change. If you copy and paste the formula, take an example, copy and paste it over here, everything will be changed, right? See, D6 and E6 has come, but B8 is remaining same. That is called absolute reference. Let's move forward to understand mixed reference. Mixed reference means it's a combination of relative reference and the absolute reference. Let me show an example what it is. Take an example over here. I'm calculating remaining amount equal to total earning minus total expense. Hit enter. That is easy, very easy, everyone can do it. But what is the mixed references? I'm here giving an example. Take an example. Here I don't want to change anything on C. So in front of the C I need to give a dollar sign and hit enter. Just for an example, just make you understand, I'm giving this example. If you drag this one, take an example to here, you can have a look in that formula bar. C is not changing, but here it is C4. Just because C4 means C means the column cannot come with the C4, right? So it is generally showing C4 minus E4 because here it is D4. D4 it has been converted into E4 because it is locking this column. The moment it lock, it tried to always get the data from the C column. Same thing can be done in row also. Here I am giving the example of row. Take an example here. In front of 5 you are putting the dollar symbol. So you don't want to change that 5 C5, right? So the moment click over here and drag, let's see what it says. It is now it is D5, but the 5 remains same, right? Because you put the dollar sign in front of the 5. 5 remains same, but the column number has been changed to D5 minus E5, right? In that way, you can use the mix reference both for cell or both for column and both for the row. In many ways, we are using it in many times, right? So these are the three reference you should remember if you want to learn Excel. Pro tips over here to remember: if you want to change the cell reference over here, take an example like this. If you want to change the cell reference, just keep on pressing F4. Take an example, F4. So it is again mixed reference, which is locking the D column, and continue, wanted to continue fifth row. Keep on pressing. It is D5. It's relative reference. Again keep on continue pressing till the time it is relative reference. It is absolute reference, sorry. So keep on pressing till to get your particular reference you want. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.